Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. Here I am with an update on the under 1000 group build. I know many of you guys are already done with your builds, but it's been taking me a little bit longer because this body it didn't fit well. There were lots of gaps in it, and this had such a unique body that it needed to be right. You can see some of these gaps. They're just huge. In many cases, I had to take some plastic rod to fill in these gaps, then sand and smooth those all back down. There's one of them right there. And then after the sanding and the compound sanding going around the curves, even the engine had terrible seams in it. The body had low spots in it. The working doors, now that was a challenge too. But here we've got the putty on it and we're sanding it down. It's starting to finally look right. Here you can see some of the spots on this driver's fender. But I've also been adding details like cutting out the slots in the steering wheel so it looks a little bit better. And here it is in primer now. Both doors open and close. Got a nice coat of primer on it. I think it'll need one more coat of primer. Then I gotta figure out what color I want to paint this thing.